Yik Yak, it's a new free social networking app that lets users post anything and everything anonymously through Twitter-like comments. This app is making waves on campuses nationwide and right here on Wartburg's campus. With users on more than 250 college campuses, the app has already been banned. Users can only see posts sent within a 5-mile radius without any form of identification. Users' posts are funny or serious, and some of them are just derogatory. Now, at Wartburg College, the athletic program seemed to get the most attention on these apps and pages. Today, we sit down with Drew Coy, the captain of the football team, and Katie Wyman, a captain on the softball team, to shed some light on this topic. Thanks for being here, guys.
Yeah. Thanks, Ashley.
So this, many people would consider this a problem, whether it's related to sports or not. And since you guys are both captains, you play influential roles to the student body. How do you plan to, or how does it make you feel that you have these associations being captains of sports teams?
I mean, we've talked it over as a football team, and the things going out on the internet, the things going on social media, we felt it was very disrespectful, and the fact that some of it was getting, more pushed on the athletic programs, we felt that was, hurting us, and so as students of Wartburg College, we're just trying to speak out against it and doing whatever we can to, eliminate those things from happening. So.
We talk a lot about softball about making sure that what you're doing every day is making a positive impact on your or how people see you. So if these posts are getting posted about any of our players, they put that responsibility on us to make sure that you're doing the right things so that these things aren't getting posted. We don't have much control over what gets posted about us, but we can control what we post or what we're contributing to the fire, so I guess that's what we talk about.
And specifically, what do you plan to do as a team to deal with these associations?
We simply just said don't get involved, don't get affiliated with whatever, social media, website, whatever it is. We always talk about whatever you post on the social media or whatever you go out and do is going to reflect, as a team as a whole. And it's also going to reflect bad upon, the entire college. So, we just talked with our group and just said, just be smart with what you're posting and just don't, post anything that's going to reflect bad upon not only our team but our schools as well. So.
Yeah, we talk about the same thing. Being part of a team at a college, not only do you represent yourself every time you post something, but you represent your team and your college as a whole. So we have to make sure to not get involved with that kind of stuff too. We have talks about social media a lot, and we actually have a speaker coming in to speak to all athletes about social media and stuff like that. So it is being handled in the athletic department.
And real quick, how does it make you feel that, prospective students and athletes and even alumni are seeing or possibly seeing these posts on Yik Yak and other pages?
Well, I mean, it's definitely hurts, the students. I mean, it's very disrespectful to them, and like I said, disrespectful to our college, and like I said, it can affect students' career, opportunities in the future. So just eliminating as much as we can, of that on the internet is definitely the route to go. So.
Yeah, I definitely agree with what Drew said, and I think alumni being able to see that stuff, it just that really upsets me because they should be proud of Wartburg. They shouldn't have to look back and see that kind of stuff. So I think that's the biggest thing there. It's not good to do.
Well, thank you both so much for being here today.
Yeah, no problem. Thanks.
And we did invite the Wartburg men's soccer team to be a part of this interview today. However, they respectfully declined to participate, but they did say they're handling the situation internally. We do want to bring to light how the soccer team is using social media in a positive way to address racial discrimination in athletics. The video titled Luther College and Wartburg College United was produced by the rival teams and has gone viral, receiving over 5,000 views in just 3 days. Let's take a look.
Luther College and Wartburg College
are committed to creating and maintaining
an atmosphere where all members of the community,
where all students, faculty, staff, officials, fans, and visitors
treat each other with respect and dignity.
We will not discriminate. We will not discriminate on the basis of
age, color, disability, gender, national origin, race, religion, or sexual orientation.
Our
comments and actions should never include
profanity, racist, sexist, or homophobic content.
We are defined by our actions towards
others, not others' actions towards us.
We will play together,
we will play together,
work together,
and live together.
Will you join us? Will you join us?